Okay.
Hi friends, welcome back to Yashri. Today I am with my special friends. She's my neighbor and he's also my neighbor. He is Mr. Johar and
Colonel Johar.
Colonel Johar, and he is a doctor by profession, and we are standing in his garden, and today I am going to introduce him as a guide. He will be guiding us. He'll be giving some precious tips and tricks about his beautiful garden, how he maintains and do everything. So let's get started.
Good. As I have already been introduced, again I would like to introduce myself. I am Colonel K.S. Johar, retired from Army, Medical Corps. Professionally I am a doctor, and this garden, it has taken almost 10 years to give this shape to me. And during the lockdown, my aim was only to look after my lawn part, because there were many weeds which were coming up, and for every year I had to spend a lot of money on maintenance. So this time I did everything on myself.
The age of
I'm young. I'm a 77-year-old
He
young
is just a
soldier.
number. At 77, look up guys, at age of 77 he has maintained around more than 500 pots, है ना ये गमलास.
Yes. See only one thing, whether it's personal land, common land, lot of time should be spent to maintain the garden. And I am very happy to announce that all the trees around this house, in front next to the milk booth, have been planted by me. Most of the trees are now 15-year-old, and I feel very happy that they are very green. People are enjoying, people are taking shelter under the need of the tree. Labor class particularly, it gives me a lot of pleasure to see people enjoying this tree.
बट अंकल हमारे प्लांट्स तो सूख जाते हैं सर्दियों में, आपके प्लांट्स इतने हरे कैसे रहते हैं?
This time, as I said, everything, a plant is originated which in this country it grows only, and it can tolerate both the temperature, high temperature as well as low temperature. Now these winter flowers, they usually come out after the November, the summer, and they will bloom in the month of March. They can stand lot of winter.
Would you like to give some tricks to
Yes, they need. We should spend lot of time in maintaining the soil of each plant, and we should keep changing the soil. We should water them properly at the time. In summer, we do find some problem because of water shortage, this thing, but somehow or the other we are managing to keep this plant growing, green, and happy. In the morning when I get up, I come do my first thing. I come out and see my good morning to plant, and they do reply back to me.
I always keep watching him doing something. He is always involved in garden, always doing. During lockdown also, when everybody was getting bored, he was quite busy with his plants, with his babies. He treat them like babies.
During lockdown, I never got bored because my garden kept me busy almost 2 hours morning and 2 hours evening. This is the small garden which is on the roadside of my house. It was absolutely barren place when I took over this flat. I had to use 2 trucks of soil to fill up these gaps all around, and main aim was only to keep some green plants, green area green all around my house, and I'm very happy that I'm able to maintain that. And the best part is you must be surprised from where I do get these manure for these plants. So I have made these 2 areas covered, and this is where I collect all the dry leaves, kitchen disposables.
Wow.
They,
So this is natural fertilizer for
natural
the plants,
fertilizer.
and you collect all these things
I
here. and
collect
put
all
it-
these, and this side I've collected from the cow dung from the other side, and in another 3 months it will be a very good manure. If we do this recycling every 5 to 6 months, we need not to buy manure from other side. chilies at home, organic chilies. You can see here they are growing. I'm quite happy. Me and my wife, we don't need much chilies to eat. At least we get 2 or 3 every day. Which
Now
we
this
do-
thing you have done very good. Kitchen gardening you have started now. This is very
Yeah, now
good. इस
these
पे
are
भी
the-
लगी हैं छोटे
these
से पेड़.
brinjals, they are coming. You see, they have started flowering.
Yeah.
We'll get some brinjal out. Flower comes, it's very nice.
So this yellow color is natural or
No, this is
because of winter?
No, this is natural color.
Okay.
We have got these 2 types. This is, I'm missing the name of the plant. And this is zerbras. They all smile at me. They all are healthy. And they keep me also healthy. The Buddha of the statue, I was going for a morning jogging. And I found this statue lying below a pole. Somebody possibly could not look after it in the house. I picked it up, I brought it at home, and I have kept it. I put a light system.
Yeah.
And in the night, when I put the light on it.
Friends, I'll be showing its night view also. It looks
Gets
really
very good.
beautiful.
Look very good.
Looks really
And,
beautiful.
It's my duty in the night when I come out. It's a sort of prayer. I come and put on the light, and I put it off after about 3 hours. Looking at the Buddha in the night is lovely one. Though it is round the clock, but this time I have put it in the corner. I feel very happy that somebody has thrown it, and I have been able to put it back and give some good shape and decorate my own house.
Now that is creativity, that someone has thrown it away and how you again
Used
you
it.
have given it a life.
मूली है, we have मूली है, शलजम है, and
So we'll be getting
tomatoes हैं.
fresh moolies this year.
Yeah. Organic.
Organic moolies.
We get lot of palak.
Okay, हाँ वो तो daily basis पे we can use ना
Yeah,
छोटे
yeah,
छोटे
yeah.
पत्ते. And what kind of taste
Yeah.
this
It is good.
vegetables
Good.
have?
I think we all can grow some sort of vegetable in our house. But even if this is the advantage we could have on the ground. Those who are on the top floor or third floor, they can always
But
maintain
terrace
some sort of
gardening is quite in trend nowadays.
And it is I as a doctor I advise one should get into this habit. It will let you not to get alone, don't feel lonely, and remain busy. That then we keep thinking how to grow. Once you get into this habit, I assure you, you would love to see your plants every morning and say good morning to them, and at the same time say good night to them. They really reply you back if you can understand their language.
That is your love for plants, and this is like great inspiration for us. Being a doctor, he's able to do all this at age of 77. That is a great inspiration, guys. I think we should also learn something.
Yeah. Age is no bar for any inspiration. If you are keen, if you are mentally fit, you can. Age is no bar. One can get into any sort of habit, whether it's music or gardening or.
When I have free time, I come and spend some time with him and Auntie Ji also. They are my good friends. So I'll introduce Auntie Ji also. She's not here right now. Maybe next vlog we'll be spending some good time with her. So bye bye. I hope you like the channel. And please subscribe and please like my
please
video.
subscribe if I am able to give you some sort of stimulation, please get into gardening. One of the best, particularly those who are retired and having little time, problem to pass the time. This is the best way to pass the time in the house.
So thank you friends for watching, and if you like my video, please subscribe and like and do comment. Bye bye.
Bye bye. Thank you. God bless.